Hi guys, it's again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm here to talk to you guys about how you can get raw Ghanaian shea butter. I know right now we are in a world crisis, but I want to say one thing: believe in God and keep praying. Pray for yourself, pray for your family, pray for your loved ones, so that God can help and protect you guys. So I've got a lot of email about how can I get a raw Ghanaian shea butter. I need a raw Ghanaian shea butter. Please connect me with somebody that sell raw Ghanaian shea butter. If you guys are following me on my Facebook like page, I've definitely make a video there and share with you guys information about how to get the raw organic Ghanaian shea butter. I made my videos years ago when I first came to ask about the yellow and the white shea butter from Ghana, because I'm not a Ghanaian, and I got a great response. I got so much email, people telling me in details what is the difference, and I really appreciate your love and support for all of that. So guys, before we jump into this video, if you guys are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and press on that notification bell. By that way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you guys want to stay connected with me, follow me on my social media. All the links will be down in the description box. So now I've said that all, let's get into it. So I love shea butter because I have allergic reaction on my skin. I can't use a lot of skin product. I can either use coconut oil, shea butter, or cocoa butter. Those are the only product I can use on my skin. And knowing that I'm somebody who have a really dry skin as well, so I always go for shea butter and coconut oil. They're the things I use to moisturize my skin. So since I make my last video, you guys have been really wanted to lay your hands on the raw Ghanaian shea butter and on the black soap. I use the raw Ghanaian black soap to actually wash my face, scrub my face after makeup, to wash my body. I don't use body shower gel. I don't use this. I've never really used it. I've never used any body shower gel. I buy it because of the kids and my son like to use it, but me myself, I don't use body shower gel on my skin. I use soap. And the soap I use the more is the Ghanaian black soap. If you're Sierra Leone, we also call it black soap. It's just the same, and maybe few different the way they make it, but it's just the same ingredients when it comes to making black soap. Black soap does not have like different, or else the ones they are making for the other company, I don't know. But when it comes to the natural local black soap in my country and in the one in Ghana, it's just the same recipe, all natural stuff. So guys, I have the Ghanaian black soap and the Ghanaian shea butter. I stored it in this container, but if you buy the shea butter in the store, this is what it come in this container. But the soap will come in a paper bag, something like that. But I store it like this because like this is what I have in my bathroom. Let me guys open for you guys. Okay, this is what I have standing in my bathroom, so you guys can see it's a little bit like wet around this area. When I want to take shower, I just grab my hand, take it, or take my body scrub, put it, rub it in, and then I use that to scrub my body. I use it on my skin, I use it on the girls. The boy does not like to use it, so he said it burn. He burned the skin, even though it's kind of like somehow very make your skin dry, but in the combination with this and this one, perfect two combinations. Mother nature, African, beautiful, natural, everything. It's just pure natural ingredient, and it really make your skin looks very beautiful. So I'm going to put on all the information in the description box. Please check the description box. I'm going to put on all the information on the lady that sells this product. This is her products. I have my own Ghanaian shea butter which I've been using, but this one I got it from her store, and the shea and the black soap as well. As you guys can see, this is 100% Ghanaian shea butter, and this is the white shea butter. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the white one, 100%, and this is so beautiful. Of course, I break it down just so that it's easy to just put everything into the container. When I'm taking, I do mix it with some coconut oil for my skin, so I cannot take a little bit out, but this is what it looks. As you guys can see, it is Pure Ghana Shea Butter. That is the name of the store that sell the shea butter if you guys live in the Netherlands. But I will also leave her information, her email address in the description box. Please check her out. And this is really organic. Since I make my video, I have not really recommend anyone to you. The one person that I recommend to you, but that person is no more living in Ghana, is now living in the Netherlands, so he cannot able to help you guys out there because he's not living there. I didn't want to recommend someone to you guys that I personally do not know, because I don't want you guys to get something that I didn't receive. I want you to get the same stuff that I am receiving. I want you to get like the good product. So that's why it was very hard for me to recommend somebody for you there that I don't know. A lot of people reach out to me, a lot of company reach out to me like, oh, can you please recommend my product to your subscribers? But I was like, I've never really tried your product and I don't know your product, I don't know you. I'm really kind of big when it comes to trust. I really want to trust somebody before ever I recommend that person, because I know you guys are spending your hard-earned money on buying this stuff, and I don't want you guys to buy something and receive something else. But with this woman, I'm definitely sure, I'm 100% sure you guys are going to get the best and the best. And this is just, first of all, when you get shea butter, let me guys tell you, if you buy shea butter in the store, the raw Ghanaian shea butter, if it doesn't have any smell, this one have like a nut smell. If it doesn't have any smell, it's not the right one. Doesn't matter where you buy it. If it doesn't have the smell, the raw 100% shea butter do have a smell. It do smell like something. So if it doesn't have a smell, it's not the right one. It's definitely the wrong one. And this is what the raw Ghanaian white shea butter looks like. It's so good. I use this to do a lot of stuff. I use it on my hair, I use it on my skin, I use it to massage. Like for example, if you have pain in your body, use a little bit of Ghanaian shea butter and Chinese rub, you know those Chinese rub, mix it a little bit. Find someone that knows how to massage the bones. Like, I'm not a massage therapy, but I'm somehow kind of really good when it comes to massaging the bones, know where your nerve system are, where the pains, the muscles. If you are somebody who have pain in your body, like you have pain maybe after work, after a long day of working, and your wife or your girlfriend or your husband know how to massage, take a little bit of Ghanaian shea butter and Chinese rub, just a little bit, mix these two together and let the magic begin. Like, trust me, it's very, very good. I use it for my body. I use it a lot to massage, and I also use it on my son, because my son play football. Sometimes he will come back home and be like, oh, my foot is broken, and I'll just use this to massage his legs like for 3 days complete, and before you know, everything is back. Like, this is not only something that is good for the hair, but it has like a really good healing properties. It's very, very good with healing. So I know in my country people use this for a lot of stuff. You can eat it, but I will not eat this one. No, you can eat it. The reason why I will not eat this one, because this one has been transported and all that kind of things. That's the reason why I will not eat it. But if I'm there where they make it, like the fresh one, I'm right present where they make it, you can definitely eat this. It's nothing bad. All the things here, they are natural. They are natural ingredients. You can definitely eat it. But I would not advise you to buy it in the store and eat it. I did not say that. So do not buy it in the store and eat it and then say AMIFULLEST told me to. I didn't say it all. I hope you guys I didn't say it all. I said if I'm where they make it, the fresh one, I will. But the one you buy it in the store, do not eat it. So this is how my mom used to warn me for something. I've told you. She will hold her own ears and be like, I have told you so. So yeah. But yeah, this is what everything look like. It is very, very beautiful. I hope you guys will love it. I hope you guys will definitely get what you want. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to pour it, but this is what it looks like. This is the Pure Ghanaian and black soap, and the black soap is It's wonderful. Like if you are this thing will scrub your skin, like your skin will be clean and clean and clean. I use this to scrub, and after I use this to moisturize. This two combination is good. You can't use one apart from each other. If you're going to use it on your skin, you need this too much to give you back that moisture that you need, because this will scrub all the dead skin, all the dirty out of your skin, all the moisture out of your body, and you need this. It's a balanced combination. You have to balance these two. You can't use one and leave the other one. It's not possible. You must balance it, or else if you're going to use it on your skin, your hair, but if you're going to use this to take shower, you need shea butter. You know, they are medicine. They are meant for each other. It's a combination. You can't. It's a balanced diet. You can't take one and leave the other one. So yeah, I hope you guys love this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the raw Ghanaian shea butter. I will leave all the information in the description box. I will also leave the email address in the comments box so you guys can go and check it out. If you guys end up buying this product, let me know. I want to know what you guys think about it. Let me know your reviews. I really love to know what you think about it. I hopefully you guys will love it like the way I'm loving it. And I want to say one thing: if you guys send the lady an email, if she did not respond to you guys immediately, please understand that the world, we are going through something right now in the world. So many things are happening right now, so everybody's somehow kind of panicking. But I want to know, as soon as she see your email, she will definitely respond to you guys. And I also want you guys to stay blessed. Stay blessed. Always be prayerful. Be grateful to God. Doesn't matter what is happening, just be grateful and know that everything is going to be fine. Everything's going to be okay. And thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. If you guys want to stay connected with me, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at AMIFULLEST and on Facebook at AMIFULLEST. See you guys on my next video. This is again AMIFULLEST. Peace out. Bye.